2 Boeing 747s, 1 runway, and a misunderstanding that would kill 583 people. This wasn't terrorism. It wasn't mechanical failure. It was human error on a scale aviation had never seen. The deadliest accident in history. And it all hinged on 9 words. March 27, 1977. A terrorist bomb explodes at Gran Canaria Airport. Flights divert to tiny Los Rodeos in Tenerife, a quiet airport suddenly crammed with jumbo jets. Among them, KLM Flight 4805, captained by Jacob Van Zanten, the airline's chief instructor, and Pan Am Flight 1736, carrying mostly vacationers. Neither crew knew. The fog was coming. Tower controllers couldn't see the runway. Pilots couldn't see each other. And yet, KLM was eager to go. Van Zanten was a legend, but also under pressure. Fuel limits, delays, a growing fear they'd be stranded overnight. Meanwhile, Pan Am was lost in the fog, still taxiing, directly into KLM's path. The tower radioed, "KLM, stand by for takeoff." But through static and overlapping transmissions, Van Zanten heard only one thing. "Cleared for takeoff." His co-pilot hesitated. "Wait, are we sure?" Van Zanten snapped. "We're going." Engines roared. The 747 began its roll toward an invisible disaster. Pan Am's crew saw lights pierce the fog. Too late. KLM was airborne, barely, but its landing gear slashed through Pan Am's upper deck. Fuel tanks ruptured. A fireball lit up the runway. KLM's plane cartwheeled and exploded. Pan Am's survivors clawed through flames, stepping over bodies to escape. One passenger said, "The screams. I'll hear them forever." 583 dead. Wreckage scattered for miles. Investigators soon realized both planes worked perfectly. The weather, while bad, was flyable. This was a failure of words, not wings. Van Zanten's authority? So absolute, his crew doubted their own ears. The tower's non-standard English? A recipe for confusion. Because of Tenerife, cockpit hierarchies were flattened. Phrases like "takeoff" were banned until clearance was absolute. Today, pilots are trained to speak up, even to captains. This disaster rewrote aviation, but the cost was unimaginable. A reminder, no machine fails alone. Behind every tragedy are human choices, and sometimes just 9 words. Share this story so we never forget. Subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.